Welcome to Asyn Code. Hey there. It's great to see you. Make sure to like and subscribe to join the community. Matplotlib is a powerful plotting library in Python, widely used for creating static, animated, and interactive visualizations. One of its most commonly used modules is Pyplot, which provides a simple interface for creating plots and charts. Importing the necessary library for plotting. Data for plotting. X represents the horizontal axis data points, example, time, categories. Y represents the vertical axis data points, example, measurements, scores. X values, a simple list representing some range of values, like years or index. Y values, which are the square of each corresponding X value. Creating the plot. We are using the plot function to create a line plot, which will connect points x, I, y, I with lines. Color equals blue makes the line blue. Marker equals O adds a circle marker at each data point. Line style equals dash creates a solid line connecting the points. Label equals y equals x squared provides a label for the line, which is useful for legend purposes. Adding a title to the plot. This will help anyone looking at the plot to quickly understand what it represents. Labeling the x-axis helps to identify what the x values represent. In this case, it is just a simple index or range. Labeling the y-axis helps to clarify what the y values represent. In this case, it is x squared. Adding a grid to the plot. This makes it easier to read and follow the values on the plot visually. Adding a legend. The label we set earlier for the line is now shown in the legend, helping identify what the line represents. Displaying the plot. This command tells the program to actually show the plot you have created so far. Explanation of each part. X and Y, these are the data points for the plot. We defined X as a list of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And Y is their squares 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. This forms the basis of the plot. Plt.plot x, y. This function plots the values from x and y as a line graph. The line connects each xi, yi pair. Color, marker, line style, label. These are optional settings to make the plot look better and more informative. plt.title, plt.label, plt.alabel. These functions set the title and axis labels, so the viewer knows what the graph is about. plt.grid, true adds a grid to the plot to make it easier to read. plt.legend displays the legend, which can describe different parts of the plot if multiple elements are plotted. plt.show, this final command is necessary to actually display the plot. What does this example do? This example generates a simple plot where the x-axis values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the corresponding y-axis values are their squares 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. It then visualizes this relationship on a line graph, with labels for clarity. This is a simple demonstration of how to plot basic mathematical data and customize a plot in Matplotlib. Now run our code. Thanks for being here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.